All right, so I'm back with another tutorial. This time I'm actually doing the TikTok method of makeup. So what you need in this video is the loose powder. I did Fit Me. The setting spray, moisturizing cream for your face, your foundation. This is the foundation I use. And you use face primer. This is the kind of face primer I use. Not always, but this is the one I have on hand today, and this is the one I'm going to use. So, if you watch this video, please take the time out to go and like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'm actually trying to reach 100 subscribers, so please do that. That would be really, I would really appreciate you guys, and I think the rest of my crew would too. Thank you so much. So on to the tutorial. So the first thing you do is moisturize your face. My face is clean. I didn't process of face cleaning, and I actually got a tutorial out to show you actually how I put on my I can't even think right. My eyelashes. So that's how I put my eyelashes on. I have a tutorial on. Why am I whispering? So how's y'all day going today? Yes. Comment below and let me know. I'm actually probably going to do a giveaway at 100 subscribers. And I will definitely shout out my 100 subscriber because it's been a journey. I know I have been missing for a while, but I'm back now. So, moisturize my face. So that's the first thing you do. So I'll set that to the side. Next, after I moisturize my face, I will put translucent, which is loose powder, on my face. Not too much, not too heavy, just a little bit on my face. Ooh, there's too much, but it's always too much. Just rub it in real good. I'm not doing my eyebrows, so just don't pay attention to that. Real good. I always get a lot on that one. All right, so I got that in. Good enough. Third thing I would do is get the setting spray. Let it set, let it dry. I cleared it up. That ring light is making it look like it is, but it's not actually. If you hear any kids in the background, it's mine. They're playing Fortnite, so. And you know, I don't know if any of y'all have kids, but you know exactly what I mean when they're yelling at the TV and doing all that stuff for no reason. So I'm trying to help it. Is that? I haven't even did none of my hair today. I just took it out the bonnet and went with it. Just said, oh, I'm going to do the tutorial today on makeup, the TikTok makeup, and see how it works. So that's what I'm doing. So while that is drying, I'm actually going to do underneath my eyes. And I'm not a fancy girl. I love Walmart. I buy Walmart clothes, like I'm in love with Walmart. So I'm not like a high sedity chick that I have to have all the finer things. As far as you can buy Walmart clothes and still look cute in them. So that's what I do. You just dress it up. It's just your style. That's just my style. So while I'm doing that, I have just a palette that I actually do with it's eyeshadow, but I use it for my eye, for the bottom of my eyes down here, instead of using the eyeliner, I just use it for my eyeliner down here, just to darken up my eyes a little bit. You can use any color you want, but I'm using black just to give it a pop underneath my eye. I'm not a pro at doing makeup, so if I'm doing something wrong, please comment below and let me know what I'm doing wrong or what I need to change, because I never said I'm a pro at it. Just trying new things. That's it. Just trying a little makeup. Just a little bit right there. You see how the eyes pop right there? Yeah. Eyes popped a little bit, didn't it? So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the primer and prime my face. And I use this little sponge to prime my face. Get it everywhere. Get that? Should be good. And the next thing you would do is do your foundation. Just do it like here. I just want like a natural look. I don't like it too heavy. And then I'll just use this right here. That's what I use. It's not dirty, it's just a stain. And I just get in a little bit more, just to put on my forehead. Okay. What y'all think so far? Besides the bumps. Yep. I think it's okay. So, I'm just calm. You know, it's quarantine, so can't get my eyebrows done. But I just tame them down a little bit. Ain't nothing wrong with that. Then I'm gonna do this little lip liner. It's let me see what color it is. It's chocolate lip liner, just to line my lips. Get a little pop, just a little bit, not too major, just a little bit. You can see I'm already feeling myself, right? Oh, cute girl. You won't be able to tell in a minute. You won't be able to tell. You won't be able to tell in a minute anyway. And I'm going to use this lip gloss that I purchased at Walmart. Just to give it a little shine. Not the major. Just a little shine. What y'all think? What you think? I think the little TikTok method it's okay. It's doable. Something fast and quick, easy. If you want to just put a little makeup on. I'm not a big well, I do makeup, but not, you know, like a heavy style. I don't do the browns that are there, the nose or anything like that, because I'm fine with that. But as far as just natural looking, this is actually pretty nice. I like it. Look, can you tell? Hey y'all, how y'all doing? But let me know what y'all think. Comment below. Let me know what you guys think. I think it turned out real good. That's just my opinion, but you guys can let me know what you think. All right, until next time. Bye.